2008 Honda Civic air and cabin filter replacement. We're going to start with the air filter. You want to pop your hood and come to this air box right here and remove these clips. You just push them backwards and they'll pop off. They should stay on the box. Once that's off, you can kind of see that it's still stuck. It's on a boot back here, and also there's a clip back here too. It's kind of like a hidden one over here by the master cylinder. Gotta push that off as well. Just reach back here. Alright, got that off. Now this should come off pretty easily. Just lift it up and straight out, pull it out from that tube, gently set it to the side, and we'll grab our air filter here. You can just reach in here and pull this out. Now this thing has it's kind of like dummy proof to put back in. It has like one corner is slanted. Here's my micro guard filter. This is like a aftermarket one. There's my part number. Should be, you know, pretty identical. One of my corners is slanted, and that's because when you put it in, it just goes in only one way really, which is nice because it's kind of like dummy proof. So we'll put this in here. Once that's in, we're gonna put this top back on. Here's a slanted part right there, and then yeah, should just be pretty easy. Put this part in the air tube. Get that in there first, and then just kind of push the airbox down. It should line up pretty easy. Put your clips back up. They have a little bit of resistance. They shouldn't be too crazy to push back on. If they're giving you a hard time, they might be not lined up right. But there we go. Get all your 4 clips on, and then that's how you do your air filter. Now let's move to the cabin filter. What you want to do is pop your glove box open. You're going to use 2 hands and squeeze both sides of this on the inside, and then gently bring it down. You'll do that. Once this comes down, you'll have access to the cabin air filter. You want to come over here. There's a little tab. You just gently push it down, and then it'll let you pull this little cover door off. Each side has one. You just push down, and this should just come off easy. It's actually a whole tray. We're going to keep the tray, and we're going to remove the filter from it. Just take the filter, pull this out, and then there's our tray. We'll get my new filter. This is also a MicroGuard 3047 is my part number. This is an aftermarket one, and we're going to put this in. Now there's an airflow arrow. It says airflow down. You just want to make sure that points down. Basically the air in here is sucked down into the blower motor, and so you want, when the air is coming down, you want the filter to be facing the right direction. So airflow says down. I turned it sideways. It fits perfectly in here. That actually went in perfect. And then we're just going to slide this back in like that. Now once you have that in, go ahead and just push this back up, and it should just go right back up into place. And that's it. Make sure you have your car off when you're doing the cabin filter. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you next video.